Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Chinese 101. Let's continue with our Pin Yin studies. Today, I'm going to introduce you 4 other consonants, and you will meet all 3 compound consonants. So it's consists with 2 different letters, and we call it Qiào舌音, which means you'll curl your tongue like and also another 3 compound vowels. I'm drawing the matrix here on the chalkboard. Let's get started. The first one is ch, sounds as zh. The second one, ch, is ch. The third one, sh, is sh. The last one is r, so it's an R sound. So all the 4 compound consonants, you need to curl your tongue. And then the 3 compound vowels are OU as in O, UO as in Wo, UI as in Wei. So the combination with ch is zhi o zhou, zhi wo zhuo, and then zhi wei zhui. The second row, chi o chou, chi wo chuo, and chi wei chui. Third row, shi o shou, shi wo shuo, and shi wei shui. So it happens to have 12 combinations today. R o rou, r wo ruo, r wei rui. Okay, so first one we put first tone. The character is zhou, which means week, like a whole week. Zhou. The second one, zhuo, also first tone, which means table or desk. Zhuo. The third one I put third tone. Also first tone, sorry. Zhui, which means chase or pursuit. Zhui. The second row, I put third tone, chou, which means ugly. 美丑, something is not good looking. Second one, chuo. So there's not a lot of characters having this sound, so I looked it up today. Chuo here, this is a complicated character, which means if you combine it with chuo xue, actually it should be chuo xue, means drop out school. And the last one is chui, which means blow. Third row, shou, which means receive. The second one, shuo, means talk or speak. Last one is shui, which means water. Shui. Last row, rou, the fourth tone means meat. The second one, ruo. Ruo means it's an ancient way of saying if or 如果. The last one, rui. This is a complicated character, which means the center of a flower, or the male part of the flower, you know. Yeah, so today we have 12 combinations of different consonants and vowels. It is pretty complicated. I also looked it up. I hope you like this video and give me thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.